Hi there, I'm Oluwakemi. I create educational videos for both students and teachers, as well as some other helpful do-it-yourself videos. And if you are watching my video for the first time, please leave a comment below, share and like, and please do click on the red subscription button. Thank you for watching. Enjoy and be educated. Hi, I'm Oluwakemi. I'm excited to have you here again. This is JAMB Biology 2017, and the question goes thus: the process that takes place in the dark stage of photosynthesis is. The dark phase consists of the transformation of carbon dioxide into glucose and carbohydrate through the use of the chemical energy from the products of phosphorylation, and this energy is stored in the form of ATP and NADPH, and it is used to reduce carbon dioxide to organic carbon. Alright, so let's go to the answer option. We have option A, oxidation of water. It is incorrect. Option B, photolysis of water. This also is incorrect. Option C, oxidation of carbon dioxide. This is incorrect. Option D, reduction of carbon dioxide. Exactly. It reduces carbon dioxide to organic compound. So D is the correct answer option. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.